Have you ever felt like you're doing everything right, visualizing, affirming, scripting, but your desires still seem out of reach? You're not alone. So many of us dive into the process of manifestation, excited to bring our dreams to life, only to feel frustrated when things don't happen as quickly or as easily as we expected. What if I told you that the secret to manifesting effortlessly doesn't lie in the techniques, but in your mindset and energy? Before you dive deep into the manifestation process, it's essential to understand a few key principles that can make all the difference. The truth is, manifestation isn't just about repeating affirmations or creating vision boards. It's about aligning your inner state with the life you want to create. If you're not getting the results you desire, it might be because your energy isn't in the right place, or you're unintentionally blocking the flow of your desires. So before you take another step in your manifestation journey, let's take a moment to explore how to shift your mindset, raise your vibration, and release resistance. This foundational work is what will truly make the difference between struggling and effortlessly manifesting your dreams. Ready? Let's dive in. Inner alignment is the cornerstone of effortless manifestation. When your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are in harmony with your true self and deepest desires, you create a powerful energetic flow that allows the universe to respond effortlessly. It's about aligning your inner world, your mindset, emotions, and beliefs with the outcomes you wish to manifest, rather than forcing or struggling to make things happen. This alignment is not about obsessively focusing on your desires or manipulating external circumstances. Instead, it's about shifting your energy into a state of trust and flow, where you no longer resist the natural course of events. When you are in alignment, you simply are the energy of your desires, and the universe responds by bringing what you want into your experience without you needing to exert unnecessary effort. True alignment means letting go of doubts, fears, and limiting beliefs that might create resistance. It involves cultivating a deep sense of self-awareness and understanding that you are worthy of receiving what you desire. As you consciously choose to align with your highest self and inner truth, you step into a space of natural manifestation. The more you practice this inner alignment, the easier it becomes to allow your desires to flow to you effortlessly. You will find that the universe begins to mirror your inner state, bringing you exactly what you need without struggle. Manifestation becomes less about force and more about letting go, trusting, and allowing. Your beliefs are the foundation upon which your reality is built. Everything you experience in life is a reflection of what you believe to be true. Whether you're aware of it or not, your subconscious mind holds a vast collection of beliefs that influence your thoughts, feelings, and actions. These beliefs, formed over time by past experiences, societal influences, and personal programming, shape how you perceive the world and consequently what you manifest. Understanding the role of your beliefs in shaping your reality is crucial. When you hold limiting beliefs, such as, "I'm not worthy of success," or "there's not enough for everyone," you're unconsciously creating barriers that prevent your desires from manifesting. These beliefs vibrate at a lower frequency, attracting more of the same negative experiences into your life. On the other hand, when you adopt empowering beliefs, such as "I am worthy of abundance" or "opportunities are everywhere," you raise your vibration and open yourself up to new possibilities. By identifying and changing limiting beliefs, you can shift the energy of your consciousness and begin to create a new reality. This process involves becoming aware of the beliefs that no longer serve you and consciously replacing them with positive, empowering thoughts. The more aligned your beliefs are with your desires, the more effortlessly those desires will flow into your experience. Your beliefs shape your world. By changing your beliefs, you change your reality. Embrace this power and watch as new, empowered realities begin to emerge. Vibrational frequency is at the core of the manifestation process. Everything in the universe, including your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions, emits a specific frequency. This frequency determines what you attract into your life. The law of attraction operates on the principle that like attracts like, meaning that the vibration you hold in your energy field is constantly attracting experiences that match it. Your vibrational frequency is influenced by how you think, feel, and believe about yourself and the world around you. When you focus on positive, high vibrational thoughts and emotions, such as love, gratitude, and joy, you raise your vibration. This elevated frequency then aligns with higher vibrational experiences, allowing your desires to manifest more quickly and easily. On the other hand, negative thoughts, feelings, and beliefs that stem from fear, doubt, and lack lower your vibration and attract similar low vibrational experiences. Understanding your vibrational frequency is crucial to manifesting your desires. When you are aware of the energy you are radiating, you can consciously shift it to align with your desires. Raising your vibration can be done through practices like gratitude, meditation, visualization, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. When you make a habit of focusing on uplifting thoughts and feelings, you elevate your entire vibration, making it easier for the universe to deliver what you desire. The faster you raise your vibration, the quicker you align with the flow of manifestation. Positive thoughts, emotions, and actions create a powerful energetic signal that accelerates the manifestation process, helping your desires materialize effortlessly. Acceptance is a transformative and powerful tool in the manifestation process. It may seem counterintuitive, but the key to manifesting your desires lies in fully accepting where you are and who you are right now. When you can accept your present circumstances without judgment or resistance, you create an energetic alignment that allows abundance to flow freely into your life. Resistance is one of the biggest blocks to manifestation. When you resist your current reality or try to force things to change, you create a mental and emotional tug of war that prevents the natural flow of energy. Resistance keeps you stuck in a cycle of struggle, where the things you desire seem just out of reach. On the other hand, acceptance is about releasing that struggle and surrendering to what is. It's the understanding that everything is unfolding perfectly in its own time, and there's no need to fight against the present moment. When you accept where you are, you shift your energy from lack and frustration to trust and ease. This alignment with the present moment allows you to open up to the possibility of receiving. Acceptance is not about resignation. It's about recognizing that you are worthy of your desires right now, and there's no need to be in a state of want or lack. By embracing the present, you make space for the future. The natural flow of energy and abundance becomes available when you let go of resistance and allow things to unfold effortlessly. Acceptance invites manifestation to flow into your life with ease. Releasing attachment to outcomes is one of the most powerful shifts you can make in the manifestation process. When you become overly attached to specific outcomes or rigid ideas about how, when, and where things should happen, you create resistance that blocks the natural flow of manifestation. The more tightly you grip onto these expectations, the more you limit the universe's ability to bring your desires into reality. Attachment to outcomes is born from a desire to control the process, often based on fear or impatience. You may feel that if things don't unfold in a particular way or within a certain time frame, it means you're failing or not getting what you want. However, this need for control can actually slow down or hinder your manifestations. The universe works in its own timing, and it knows the best path to bring your desires into your life in ways you may not even be able to foresee. Detachment doesn't mean giving up on your desires or abandoning your goals. It means letting go of the need to control the exact how, when, and where of your manifestations. By releasing attachment, you allow yourself to remain open to the infinite possibilities the universe can offer. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should, even if it doesn't look exactly how you expected. Practice detachment from the process, not from the desires themselves. Let go of the need to control the journey and allow the universe to deliver your desires in the most unexpected and delightful ways. To manifest your desires, one of the most powerful actions you can take is to embody the energy of already having them. This goes beyond simply visualizing or wishing for your desires. It's about fully experiencing the emotions and state of being that you would feel if your desires were already a reality. Whether it's wealth, love, success, or peace, embody the feelings of gratitude, joy, excitement, or fulfillment that would naturally accompany those desires. When you live in alignment with the energy of what you want, you create a vibrational match with your desires. The universe responds to the energy you emit. So by adopting the emotions and energy of already having what you want, you send a strong signal that you are ready to receive it. This isn't about pretending or faking emotions. It's about authentically stepping into the feeling of already being and experiencing what you desire. This energetic embodiment is a key part of manifestation. When you align your thoughts, emotions, and energy with your desires, you remove any resistance and become a magnet for those experiences to manifest in your life. It's a natural law, like attracts like. The more you embody the energy of your desires, the more the universe will respond by bringing those desires to you. To manifest more quickly and effortlessly, feel as though your desires are already here. Live as if, think as if, and act as if. You'll find that the universe has no choice but to deliver what you're energetically aligned with. Patience and trust are essential components of the manifestation process. While it's natural to want your desires to materialize quickly, it's important to understand that manifestation operates in its own timing. The universe has its own rhythm and pace, and things may not appear immediately, but that doesn't mean they aren't on their way. The process of alignment, where everything in your life must fall into place, can take time. Trusting the timing of the universe is crucial. When you trust that the universe is always working behind the scenes to align everything for you, you release the pressure and anxiety that can come with waiting. Often, we become impatient because we're attached to a specific timeline, and when things don't show up when we expect them, we might start to doubt the process. However, patience allows you to stay grounded and open to receiving your desires at the right time. Patience isn't about passively waiting. It's about maintaining a calm and trusting state of mind while continuing to take aligned actions. It's knowing that what you want is already on its way, even if it hasn't manifested yet. By trusting in the process, you create an energetic space where your desires can come to fruition with ease. So, embrace patience and trust. The universe is always working in your favor, and with time, your desires will manifest in perfect harmony with your life's unfolding path. Manifestation is not a one-time event or a quick fix. It's an ongoing process of alignment, growth, and refinement. Often, people expect their desires to appear instantly, but the truth is that manifestation is a journey, not a destination. As you continue to evolve and deepen your understanding of your true self, your manifestations will shift and grow to align with your expanding consciousness. Each step of the manifestation process is part of your personal development. The more you align with your authentic self and connect with your inner wisdom, the more you will find that your desires evolve in ways you may not have anticipated. Your ability to manifest effortlessly grows as you refine your energy and beliefs, and as you learn to trust and release attachment to specific outcomes. Manifestation is also a process of letting go of limiting beliefs and attachments. As you grow and refine your inner world, you will naturally release old thought patterns that no longer serve you. This process of release allows new, empowering beliefs to take their place, creating more space for your desires to manifest. Stay open to the journey of manifestation, knowing that each step brings you closer to your desires. Embrace the process, knowing that as you evolve, your manifestations will become more aligned with your true essence. Trust that you are constantly moving forward, and the universe is continually responding to your growth, bringing you closer to everything you truly want. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools you can use in the manifestation process. When you focus on what you already have and express gratitude for it, you raise your vibrational frequency and attract more of what you desire. The act of being grateful shifts your energy from a state of lack to one of abundance. By acknowledging and appreciating what's already present in your life, you send a strong signal to the universe that you are ready to receive even more. Gratitude has a unique ability to keep you aligned with the present moment. When you are grateful, you become more aware of the blessings surrounding you, which helps you stay grounded and connected to the flow of abundance. It reminds you that everything you desire is already on its way, and that you are deserving of it. By staying in a state of gratitude, you reinforce the belief that your desires are not out of reach. They are already part of your reality, even if you can't see them yet. Practicing gratitude consistently shifts your mindset from one of scarcity to one of abundance. It strengthens your faith in the manifestation process and keeps you focused on the positive aspects of your life. When you express gratitude, you align your energy with the frequency of abundance, allowing more of it to flow into your life naturally. Gratitude doesn't just attract more of what you want, it deepens your connection to the present moment and reinforces your belief that everything you desire is already unfolding perfectly. Letting go of resistance and negative emotions is a crucial step in the manifestation process. Resistance to what is, whether it's dissatisfaction with the present moment or fear of what's to come, creates energetic blocks that prevent the natural flow of manifestation. Negative emotions, such as frustration, doubt, or fear, lower your vibrational frequency and create an environment where your desires can't easily enter. By holding on to these negative emotions and resisting the current moment, you're essentially pushing your desires further away. The key to effortless manifestation is learning to release these feelings and trust in the process. When you let go of resistance and allow yourself to flow with life, you create a powerful space for your desires to materialize. This isn't about suppressing emotions or ignoring challenges. It's about acknowledging them and choosing not to let them control your energy. Practices like mindfulness, meditation, and emotional awareness can help you identify where resistance exists within you. By becoming more aware of your emotions and thought patterns, you can start to shift them. Meditation, for example, helps calm the mind and release any built-up tension or negative emotions, allowing you to return to a state of peace and alignment. When you release resistance, you open up to a new way of being where manifestation flows effortlessly. Trusting the process and embracing the present moment creates space for your desires to come to you naturally. Let go of resistance and watch how quickly your manifestations begin to unfold. And there you have it. Now that you have a deeper understanding of the key principles behind effortless manifestation, you're ready to align your energy and mindset for success. Remember, it's not about forcing your desires into reality. It's about allowing them to flow to you naturally. Trust the process, stay patient, and most importantly, trust yourself. I hope this video has given you the clarity and inspiration you need to manifest with ease. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss out on more tips to help you on your manifestation journey. I'd love to hear from you. Comment below and share what you're currently manifesting, or let me know which part of this video resonated most with you. Let's get the conversation going and support each other in creating the lives we truly desire. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay aligned, stay positive, and keep manifesting your dreams. Take care.